Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 2 kilograms to pounds. Are you looking to convert 2 kilograms to pounds but aren't quite sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's an easy conversion that can be done in just a few steps. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and provide examples to help you master this skill. First, let's review the conversion factor. 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20462 pounds. To convert kilograms to pounds, all you need to do is multiply the number of kilograms by the conversion factor. Let's walk through an example. Say you have 2 kilograms of rice that you need to convert to pounds. We start by multiplying 2 by the conversion factor of 2.20462. This gives us approximately 4.40924 pounds, and that's it, we're done. 2 kilograms of rice is equal to approximately 4.40924 pounds. But wait, what if you need to convert 2 pounds of flour to kilograms? Don't worry, we've got you covered. To convert pounds to kilograms, you need to divide the number of pounds by the conversion factor of 2.20462. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 2 pounds of flour to kilograms. We start by dividing 2 by 2.20462. This gives us approximately 0.90718 kilograms. But wait, we should round this number to the nearest hundredth, so our final answer is approximately 0.91 kilograms. And there you have it. Converting 2 kilograms to pounds and 2 pounds to kilograms is simple once you know the conversion factor. With a little practice, you'll be converting between kilograms and pounds in no time.